Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and pick the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's pick this edit icon and tap on the profile picture. And as you can see here, we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera up. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Right now just tap on the photo we'd like to use. And here you have to decide where you want to crop the photo, so you can crop it using the gallery or Google Photos, and I will pick Google Photos. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size and the position of this square, the position of the photo also. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. What's more, you can zoom in or zoom out the picture. So it's really up to you. You can rotate it. So set it like you want to. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on the stick icon in the left upper corner to save the contact. And here we've got our contact, so the photo is visible. What's more, you will be able to see it on the contact list and whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.